everybody, now we are going to solve a problem from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sadiku's 5th edition. The question number is 6.8 and the question is given here. So from this we understand that V of 0 is equal to 50 volts and then V of t is equal to, that is given here as A into e power minus 100t plus B into e power minus 600t, and I of 0, that is given as 2 amps. So these are all the data given and we are asked to find out this constants and then energy and then capacitor current. Okay, so we can relate this given data with the current formula. So IC of t, the formula which is relating the current and the voltage is IC of t equal to C into dV by dt. That is the formula, right? So here what is this capacitor value? Capacitor value is 4 millifarad. So it is 4 into 10 power minus 3 d by dt of this voltage V of t. So it is A into e power minus 100t plus B into e power minus 600t. So this is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 3. So when you do the differentiation, you get it as A into minus 100 into e power minus 100t plus B into minus 600 into e power minus 600t. This is what we get. So if you take this minus sign as well as 100 outside, multiplied by this 4 into 10 power minus 3, within bracket you get it as A into e power minus 100t plus 6b into e power minus 600t. This is minus 0.4 into A into e power minus 100t plus 6 into B into e power minus 600t. So you can expand this and you can write this as IC of t, that is the capacitor current, that is equal to minus 0.4 A into e power minus 100t minus 2.4 into B into e power minus 600t. So we know that this I of 0 is equal to 2 amps. So if you put IC of 0, then that is equal to minus 0.4 A into e power 0, because when you substitute 0 in t, minus 2.4 into B into e power 0, and we know that e power 0 is equal to 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So this is equal to minus 0.4 A minus 2.4 B. This is equal to how much? As given the problem, it is 2. Okay, so we can take this as one equation and this can be further simplified as dividing by 2, right? Then you will get it as minus 0.2a minus 1.2b, that is equal to 1. So this can be taken as equation number 1. Now take this v of t. What is v of t? That is given as a into e power minus 100t plus b into e power minus 600t, isn't it? In this, v of 0 is what? V of 0 is by substituting t as 0, right? So e power 0 plus b, a into e power 0 plus b into e power 0, that is equal to how much value? It is 50. It is given in the problem itself. So a plus b is equal to 50. So now take this as equation number 2. Already we have got for equation number 1, isn't it? It is 0.2a minus 1.2b, that is equal to 1, isn't it? This is equation number 1. So now multiply this equation number 2 by 0.2, then we'll be getting this as 0.2a, and now I'm going to multiply this second equation by 0.2, so that I'm getting this as 0.2a plus 0.2b, that is equal to 10. So this can be taken as 2 dash, modified form of the second equation. Now I am going to add these two, that is equation number 1 is added with modified form of the second equation, then we'll get this as these two get cancelled and here we get it as minus b, that is equal to 11. or we say that B is equal to minus 11. So this is taken as equation number 3 and this is one answer. Actually we got the answer for the constant B. So substitute 3 into, we get this as A minus 11, that is equal to 50. So A value is equal to 50 plus 11, that is 61. So this is equation number 4. So we got the answers now. So what are the answers here? So the answers are A equal to 61 and B is equal to minus 11. This is the answer for the first portion. Now we have to get the answer for this. Find the energy at T equal to 0. So we need to calculate W, that is half into CV square at T equal to 0, right? So this is equal to W is equal to half into C value. We know that it is 4 into 10 power minus 3, as it is 4 millifarad. V at T equal to 0 is 50. So it is 50 square. So this 2 get cancelled as 2. 50 square. So it is 2500 into 2 into 10 power minus 3. So I can write it as 5000 into 10 power minus 3. So that is equal to 5 joules. So work done is 5 joules. So this is equation number 5 as well as answer for the second part. Now the third portion is to find out the current, capacitor current for t is greater than 0, right? So it is IC of t, that is equal to C into dV by dt, isn't it? Already we had this. Anyhow, so this IC is equal to C values 4 into 10 power minus 3, and after differentiation, that means d by dt, already we have done it. Anyhow, I am doing it again. V voltage V of t is given as A into e power minus 100t plus B into e power minus 600t. So this is equal to IC of t, right? For t greater than 0. So 4 into 10 power minus 3, then differentiation, this yields you minus 100 A into e power minus 100t minus 600b into e power minus 600b. When you multiply this terms with this 4 into 10 power minus 3, it becomes minus 0.4. And what is A value? 61 to e power minus 100t. When you multiply these terms with this, it is 2.4 into B values 11 minus 11. B values minus 11 into e power minus 600. So this is equal to minus 24.4 into e power minus 100t minus of minus plus 26.4 into e power minus 600. So this is the capacitor current for t is greater than 0. So this is the answer for our third portion. So I hope you have understood this. Thank you.